Google just dropped the craziest AI update ever, and nobody's talking about it. While everyone's fighting about ChatGPT versus Claude, Google just released an entire AI ecosystem. I'm talking NotebookLM on mobile, AI that turns your browser tabs into apps and tools that literally predict where users will click. This is insane. Okay, so Google just did something wild. And I mean really wild. Most people missed it completely because they were too busy watching other AI companies make announcements. But Google? They quietly shipped an absolute monster of an update. We're talking updates to Gemini, NotebookLM, Gmail, design tools, video creation, and even your web browser. This isn't one feature. This is an entire AI operating system upgrade. And by the end of this video, you're going to understand why this changes everything for creators, entrepreneurs, and anyone building a business online. All right, let's jump straight into the first tool that nobody saw coming. It's called Doppl, and this thing is different. Google just made AI understand fashion, not just shopping, not just recommendations, but actual style and taste. Here's how it works. Doppl creates a personalized fashion discovery feed based on your vibe. It learns what you like, not your size, not your budget, your actual taste. You open it up and it shows you outfits that match your style perfectly. It's like having a personal stylist in your pocket. But here's the crazy part. Built-in shopping links. You see something you love, you can buy it right there. Plus, you can save looks into collections, so it's like Pinterest meets TikTok Shop meets an AI stylist that actually gets you. Now, why does this matter? Because this is AI moving from search to taste. Google spent decades perfecting search, finding information. But taste is personal, taste is subjective, taste is human. And now AI is starting to crack that code. This is a massive shift. You can find Doppl at labs.google.doppl if you want to try it out yourself. But that's just the beginning. Let's talk about Mixboard. This is Google's answer to Notion, Figma, and Google Slides all combined into one tool. And they just gave it a massive upgrade. You can now create presentations using something called Nano Banana Pro, which is their image generation tool. You can upload files, you can manage multi-board projects. This matters because Mixboard isn't just for brainstorming anymore. It's for execution. You're building actual presentations, you're organizing files, you're managing entire projects, all powered by Gemini AI. All right, if you want to learn how to actually use tools like Gemini and NotebookLM to automate your workflows, scale your business, and save hundreds of hours every single month, you need to join the AI Profit Boardroom. This isn't just theory. This is step-by-step training on how to implement these exact tools into your business. We show you how to build automation systems, how to use AI for content creation, how to streamline your operations. Everything you're seeing in this video, we teach you how to actually do it. Links are in the description. The real magic happens inside the community. Okay, back to the updates, because we're just getting started. Now let me tell you about Pomelli. This one is absolutely insane. They just added a feature called Animate powered by VO 3.1. Here's what it does. You take static content, any static content, and turn it into on-brand animations. No video skills needed, no animation experience required. You just give it your content, and it creates professional cinematic transitions that match your brand. Think about that for a second. Static content is basically dead now. Anyone can create professional animations. If you're making social media content, if you're creating ads, if you're building course materials, this is a game changer. You could take your landing page screenshots and turn them into animated explainer content in minutes. But here's where things get really interesting. There's a tool called Jules Agent, and this is different from everything else we've talked about so far. Jules isn't just responding to your commands. It's proactive. It surfaces tasks before you even ask. It automates fixes before problems happen. It's not just an assistant. It's like having an actual teammate. This is real agent behavior. Less prompting, more doing. And that's where AI is heading. We're moving from tools that wait for commands to tools that anticipate what you need and just do it. You can follow Jules Agent on X at Jules Agent to see what it's capable of. Then there's Stitch. This is for designers and developers, and Google just upgraded it with Gemini 3 Pro. Here's what's new. You can now create working prototypes. You can generate HTML from Nano Banana Pro redesigns. There's a Command K palette for quick actions. And get this, predictive heat maps. You can see where users will click before they even use your site. Let that sink in. Design to code to prediction, all in one workflow. If you're building landing pages, you could design the page, generate the code, and see exactly where people will click. That's insane. No more guessing. No more A/B testing 10 different versions. You know what works before you launch. Let me tell you about Disco. This is one of the 2 brand new experiments Google just launched, and most people completely missed it. Disco is an experimental browser tool powered by Gemini 3. Here's what it does. It takes your open browser tabs and remixes them into custom apps. Let me say that again. Your browser becomes an app factory. You have 5 tabs open researching a topic? Boom. Disco turns them into a mini app. You're gathering information for a project? It creates a tool for that. This is tabs to tools. Your browser just became 10 times more powerful. You can find it at labs.google/disco. Now, the second brand new experiment is called CC. And this one lives in Gmail. CC is an AI agent for your inbox. Every morning, it gives you a briefing called Your Day Ahead. It flags urgent emails. It summarizes what matters. And you can CC the AI anytime to help with drafts, organizing, or finding specific emails. This is AI living where you actually work. Your inbox just got smart. Most people spend hours in email every day. Now AI is handling the heavy lifting. You can try CC at labs.google/c. But here's the big one. The one that everyone needs to pay attention to. NotebookLM just went mobile. And it's not just mobile, it's a complete revolution. Let me break down everything they added. First, you can now generate infographics and slide decks directly from your notes. Second, audio overviews sync across all your devices. You start listening on your phone, continue on your laptop. Third, you can use your camera as a source. You snap a photo of something in real life, and NotebookLM ingests it. Fourth, bigger prompts and DocX support. And fifth, it's now included in Google AI Ultra. Now let's talk about 2 more creator tools that got quiet updates. First is Doppl. This is now available in the Gemini Gems tab plus Nano Banana Pro integration. Second is Flow. They just added object removal for video clips and 2K and 4K downloads. So if you're creating content, if you're editing videos, if you're making social media posts, you just got professional level tools. Remove unwanted objects from clips. Download in 4K quality. This stuff used to require expensive software. Now it's built into Google's AI ecosystem. Here's what's wild when you zoom out and look at the bigger picture. Google didn't just update one tool, they upgraded the entire stack. Fashion discovery with Doppl, project management with Mixboard, animation with Pomelli, proactive agents with Jules, design and code with Stitch, browser apps with Disco, smart inbox with CC, mobile knowledge base with NotebookLM, professional creator tools with Doppl and Flow. This is a complete AI operating system for getting work done. And while other companies are making big announcements and getting all the attention, Google is quietly shipping the tools that actually work. They're not promising what's coming, they're delivering what's here. You can use Doppl right now to discover fashion trends for your brand. You can use Mixboard right now to manage projects. You can use Pomelli right now to animate content. You can use NotebookLM right now to build a knowledge base. This is real. This is live. This is available today. Now here's the thing. Most people will watch this video and think it's cool. They'll think it's interesting. And then they'll go back to doing things the old way. Don't be that person. These tools are free to try. Most of them work with a regular Google account. Some features need the AI Ultra plan, but that's like $20 a month. That's nothing compared to the time you save and the quality you unlock. The question isn't whether AI is useful. The question is whether you're going to actually use it, whether you're going to learn these tools, whether you're going to integrate them into your workflow. Because I promise you, someone in your industry is doing exactly that right now. They're using NotebookLM to research faster. They're using Mixboard to execute quicker. They're using Pomelli to create better content. And they're going to leave you behind if you don't keep up. But here's the good news. You're watching this video, which means you care about staying ahead. You care about learning new tools. You care about using AI to get better results. So take action. Go to labs.google right now. Try Doppl, try Disco, try CC. Download NotebookLM on your phone and actually use it for your next project. Don't just consume content about AI, use AI. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases like these, join the AI Success Lab. It's our free AI community. Links are in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes, plus access to our community of 38,000 members who are crushing it with AI. These are real people getting real results using the exact tools and strategies we teach. So, here's my question for you. Which of these updates shocked you the most? Was it NotebookLM going mobile? Was it Disco turning your tabs into apps? Was it Jules Agent being proactive? Was it the predictive heat maps in Stitch? Comment below and let me know. We're building a community here of people who actually use this stuff. And if you got value from this video, if you learned something new, if you're excited about these tools, hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel because we're covering AI updates like this every single week. While everyone else is months behind, we're bringing you the latest tools, the latest strategies, the latest ways to actually use AI to grow your business. The AI revolution isn't coming. It's here. It's happening right now. Google just proved it. They shipped an entire AI ecosystem in one update, and the people who win are the ones who take action. So go try these tools. Join the AI Profit Boardroom to learn how to implement them properly. Join the AI Success Lab to get the full library of resources. And I'll see you in the next video where we're breaking down even more AI updates that nobody's talking about. Let's go.